3-1 to Trout. Breaks his bat, flares one out to left center field. That'll get down for a hit. A jam shot single. And it's the first hit of the afternoon for the Angels, and it comes with one out here in the seventh.
Well, a lot of times you'll hear a pitcher say that he wasn't really thinking about it until that 8th or 9th inning, but Keuchel knew it. He had a special day going. Jams Mike Trout, but strong enough to fight that one into the outfield. Well, you could see him, his reaction, thinking and knowing he had the type of stuff to have it.